Hello viewers, welcome to Zisunal. In today's video I am going to show you how we can hide our JavaScript code. That means how we can encrypt our JavaScript code so that no one can read it in the browser. Before that, please make sure to back up your code because even you can't understand your code after you encrypt it. So for any future modification of your code, you will need a backup of your code. Before starting this, please make sure to subscribe our channel to get this kind of interesting tips, and like and share the videos to all of your friends. Comment down below your thoughts about this video. Let's get started. At first, here is the HTML file. This is just a simple HTML file with a title called JavaScript encryption, and here is a h1 tag JavaScript encryption, and we have a script tag here which is named script.js, which is linked in the HTML file, and here is the file. Here we will write our JavaScript code and then we will encrypt the code. So for example, we can like alert Zisunal. Okay, simply writing this, if we open the HTML file in a browser, it will show us an alert with Zisunal. This is simple. And not only this, I can write any other JavaScript code. Like if I want to print something in the document, I can write document.write Zisunal from JavaScript. To encrypt your code, you have to make sure that you are using semicolon at the end. This is not required in latest JavaScript, but to encrypt your code you have to use semicolon here. So now if we refresh our page again, it will alert Zisunal and then it will write the text in the browser. Okay, everything is fine, but now if we want to see our page source, here is the script.js file, and we can easily read the JavaScript code from the browser. But to encrypt this code, we can copy our JavaScript code from here, and then we can go to this website. I will give the link of the website in the description. You can simply go here and paste your JavaScript code here and press encode. Here is a code which is the encrypted version of your JavaScript code. Now copy this one and replace your current code with this code. Now if you are thinking that it will not work, then let's prove it. Going to browser, and this is still alerting the Zisunal, okay, and is still printing the Zisunal from JavaScript. Now if we want to see our JavaScript code from the browser, this is totally unreadable by any human being. So please subscribe the channel for this kind of tips. Thank you very much for being with me, and please share the video with all of your friends.